Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works x Jonsibal Design Works x Lamley Group, the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody in the iconic Advan livery, as you can see right here. Special edition, as it is a event exclusive in 2024. It was apart from an event, which over here it actually says the event Japanese Classic Car Show, also known as JCCS 2024. Then you have the Lamley collaboration and also the Jonsibal Design Works collaboration, Global 64. You have this nice looking red box design, sort of like I don't know, it's more to like shapes, design shapes, which are nice. Moving towards the top here, we see Jonsibal Design Works at the bottom, Tarmac Works right there, logo. Over here, yeah, pretty much the same. There is the car, love the car right there. So every designer has a story. Nissan, there's your barcode, R32 Widebody, Advan. There are your socials. So I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. I got this from an event, so sorry, not the event, but from, what do you call that? I got this from the Tarmac Works website, because they released several quantities at the Tarmac Works website for this car. Not only at the JCCS, but they also sold this car online over at the website. The event itself, JCCS, yeah, there were many of these cars sold there, and with the appearance of Lamley, also known as John Lambert, as well as Jonsibal himself, well, many of them got their hands on this car with their signature on the car, which is very nice. So here is the car in this Advan livery. I actually have two. I bought this from the website, the Tarmac Works website. The other one I bought from the Two Monsters shop, which I did not get a chase of. If not, I would have reviewed both the chase and the regular one, but it would be fine. So here is the car, the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody in the iconic Advan livery, as you can see right here. Black and red all over the place. Very nice looking body kit as well. White 5-spoke rims with silver outlining, which is very nice. So basically you still have the maintained R32 shape, just that it does have the extended white body kit, like I mentioned, with the extended front splitter, the canards, and also the massive rear spoiler at the back of the car. So this car initially was designed by Jonsibal Design Works as an early, it's not an early concept, but more to like a special one-off version, a body kit for, well, Jonsibal himself, as it's a body kit to himself, of course. And yeah, I really do like the body kit, so it's actually very nice. Nothing too aggressive going on, to be honest. We've actually seen one of Jonsibal's creations before. If you might have remembered my previous video where I reviewed the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno in white and black. That was a Jonsibal Design Works release as well, as if you know. It is basically a wonderful casting that pays a tribute to Initial D as well. as of delivery, of course. So this one, however, the R32, yeah, it's actually quite great. I love the color scheme, the rims that they use, the fact that this car even has a chase. I would prefer this black one more than the chase. So yeah, this car was mainly sold at the Japanese classic car show, and now is currently sold out almost everywhere. But yeah, by the way, this car is available at Two Monsters shop if you do want to buy it. Their stock is still available as of recording this video. And yeah, also not to mention the A86 as well in white and black, that is also still available. If you want to get yours, you can go get them over there. So yeah, let's take a close detailed look at our nice looking R32. So we'll start here over on the side. So yeah, we shall start over here from the back. You can see the Japanese Classic Car Show JCCS event logo right there. You have massive thick rubber tires with white 5-spoke rims with silver sort of wheelbarrow right there. And then of course, if you don't know the Advan liveries, they normally have red sort of stripes from the back towards the front. Basically it just almost decreases away. Basically this stripe gets smaller and smaller. You have the Advan text right here at the bottom of the door handle right there. A side mirror as well. Side mirror is rubber, I think. Yeah, very cool. And you can see the wide fenders for the wide body kit, which is nice. Love that. Moving towards the front right here, you do have your lens transparent headlights with the blinker details as well. Front grille, and you have this bottom half which is colored in red. You do not have a side mirror, sorry, not a side mirror, but a license plate. You do have an intercooler right there, Advan text right there. You have your canards right here, which are matte in black, which are nice. Front splitter, extended front splitter, and then the Advan logo right here on the hood, which is nice, sort of like a triangle shape with the Advan text right there in the middle as well. There is the hood. You do have a regular windshield tint, black dot interior, right hand drive, and then you have the windshield banner which says Jonsibal Design Works right there in white, red windshield banner. The roof pretty much empty, I don't really see much. Very cool. Over on the rear window it says Lamley Group right there with the Lamley logo right there. Over here, yeah, pretty much the same thing. I don't really see much of a difference. And then of course you do have the massive black colored plastic rear spoiler right here, which is quite big in black. Very nice. You do have these I'm not sure, are those like exhausts or something? I'm not sure. Right here, two in the middle. You do have red colored rear lights, the Advan text right there. The license plate says Jonsibal Design Works right there. And then moving towards the bottom right here, massive rear diffusers right here. And then you do have a single exhaust tip on the left side, colored in sort of like a matte liquid color right there. And then over on the base, black colored matte black base. Tarmac works made in China. Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody. Basically that's it. But yeah, there you go. That would be the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody. A very nice car with a great Advan livery, I would say. It's not more to a race car or anything, but just more to like a casual wide body car sort of a thing. And Tarmac Works has released several Advan cars in the past, but nothing that looks like this, that's for sure. And there will be another color coming out soon for this one, which would be sort of like a how would I say it, a metal flake dark blue sort of a color. And the chase would be sort of like a chrome pink sort of color, which is interesting. And that would be a regular release as well, similar, pretty much a Global 64 of course. And yeah, I believe many people will get their hands on that version as well, as the color looks insane, especially the chase version. And I would really like to have that in my collection. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Tarmac Works, Jonsibal Design Works, Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody. You can also check out a shorter video of this over at my channel. Actually, I made sort of like a detailed preview, detailed view of the car. Sort of like a highlight of this car, basically how the packaging looks, how the car is basically presented and all, basically pretty much something like that. And you can go check that out as well. But yeah, that's all for my video today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in the videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.